You'll be ahead of 90% of the world if you can make over 10K a month. Now, according to a recent study in 2023, if you're making over 10K a month, then you're in the top 10% of global earners. An even farther stretch, if you're making over 1 million a year, then you're in the top 1% of global earners. But that's for another video, so we're gonna start small and just focus on getting you to over 10K a month. Now, the fastest and lowest cost way to do this in today's age is simply through social media. Seeing as all you need is a phone and a half decent personality, pretty much anyone can do this. Now, social media is a broad term, so which actual social media platform is going to be the fastest and cheapest way to do this? Well, it's been proven that TikTok is. And it's because TikTok is estimated to bring in over $17 billion in revenue in 2024 alone, just off of their new TikTok shop feature. Now, anyone on TikTok can get those products, make a video on it, and if it goes viral and gets sales for the product, they make a little bit of commission. And if $17 billion of revenue is being generated per year, that means that you can change your entire life just by taking a tiny crumb of the entire pie. It seems impossible, but hundreds of students in my community are already doing this, making well over 10K a month just from posting simple TikToks once a day. Some of them post 2 to 3 times a day if they want to make even more money, but it's just an absolute gold mine, which is not going to last forever. It's similar to drop shipping or Amazon FBA or any other opportunity that comes up. You need to get on it while it's still hot. Let's cut the crap. If you're a TikTok shop affiliate, you know that the first thing you need to do is get an actual account. Getting an account is simple and boring, so we're not going to put it in this video, but if you want to learn how to do it, in my community, TikTok Mastery, we teach y'all A to B how to do this in less than 2 days. Sometimes 3 or 4 days, but it's really simple to get it. I'll leave a link to that in the description. So now that you have access to the TikTok Shop marketplace, the second step is actually finding products that are discounted and solve a problem. If you've seen my videos before, you know that I don't really talk about discounts too often, but going into Q4 with Black Friday coming up, Christmas, Kwanzaa, you name it, you have to be focusing on the discounts. This is where everyone is whipping out their freaking wallets and paying you money for discounted products. An easy way to do this when you're actually looking for products is to find things that are over 20% off and have free shipping. That is going to be your biggest banger, your biggest winner. Remember, the entire video that you're about to create is all based around the product. So if it doesn't have a good discount and it doesn't solve a problem, you're not going to get as many sales. To give you an idea of how powerful this is a screenshot from last year during Black Friday, where I had a video get over 500,000 views and it generated me almost $30,000 in revenue. With 20% commission, that's $6,000 from 500,000 views. That is 12 times better than the Creator Rewards program and almost like 40 times better than YouTube is going to pay you if you upload a short video. Overall, TikTok Shop during Q4 is absolutely insane. And if you're watching this in 2024, Q4 is coming up, so you better prepare yourself. So under that logic and using those stats, that means you have to hit 1 million views to make over 10K a month. Now this is during the Q4 season. During Q1, 2, and 3, January through September, you're probably going to have to hit 3 to 4 million views in order to hit 10K a month profit. But we're only going to focus on what's in front of us right now, which is Q4. So just hit 1 million views on a video and you could be hitting over 10K a month profit, which pays the rent, pays your car, pays the food for the family, and you're living a pretty good life just posting a TikTok every single day. Imagine telling that to your parents. Yeah, Dad, I take 30 minutes, make a TikTok, and I make 10K a month. Are you kidding me? That's stupid. It's so stupid. But take advantage of it because it's stupidly awesome for us. So now that you've chosen a product, the next step is actually recording the video, which the number one thing you want to focus on is the hook. Every single viral video that I've seen has a strong hook, whether it's something crazy where it's, pouring soda all over a supercar, or it's something simple, but it's really evoking a lot of curiosity. Every single video has a strong hook if it goes viral. The hook is the first 1 to 5 seconds of the video where you're getting that person to stop aimlessly scrolling on the For You page and watch your video. In today's age, everyone is addicted to scrolling, so in order to get them to stop, the first thing you got to focus on is actually calling them out directly. For example, if you love skiing, or if you have a dog that is crazy, you're directly calling out something personal about them. And if it's a pain point as well, something that they need a solution to, something that's pissing them off in life, and you call them out on that, and you actually tell them there's going to be a solution, they're going to watch your video in a heartbeat. Taking all of that and simplifying it, somehow, some way, call them out and then make them curious to watch your video. Here's a few examples. You ever wondered what would happen if you just went like this? All right, we're gonna try to get that off. What did I just do? So if you have a dog and you want to groom him, grab one of these. Oh my gosh. It's called the Homica Dog Grooming Kit. Now that you've hooked them in, the main focus of the video should be two things. One, explaining the products and all the benefits, and two, which is probably more important, focusing on the deal and why it's cheaper to get it on the TikTok shop than anywhere else. By doing this, not only do they understand why the product is going to help them in their lives, but more importantly, you're telling them why they should buy it from you right now from this video. You're giving them a no-brainer deal where they feel stupid for not buying it because it's such a bundle deal with a great discount. You should make them feel like it is a no-brainer to buy this product right now from you. We teach this even more in my community TikTok Mastery, and we have someone named Aiden who absolutely killed it. Take a look at this.
If you're still getting ready to travel like this, what are you doing? So I found this toothbrush. It has 5 different cleaning modes, a case, a charger, toothbrush stand, and all of these heads for 15 bucks.
Aiden understands this, and he does this all year round, always focusing on the discount and how important it is. And this is a screenshot from earlier this month. I mean, my dude's racked in over 30 grand in a month just from doing this strategy. But if you don't want to worry about your bills, you don't want to have to stress about how you're going to make the car payment next month, TikTok Mastery will show you exactly how Aiden is doing this and how you can do it too. So that's why we have over 20 hours of content inside the course. Plus, you get access to the community where you can share your wins just like Aiden is doing. So now that you've focused this video around the deal and why the person should buy it, the next step to end off this actual video is by doing a call to action. And this is where you're evoking some urgency for them to buy it right here, right now. And then you're leading them on where to actually buy it from by literally pointing to the bottom left of the screen. So in order to do this, you need to tell them that there's a sale. It's running out soon. This is a Black Friday sale. It's only on sale until the stock runs out. You need to evoke some type of urgency. And on top of that, if you can say something along the lines of, hey, listen, I saw this on some other sites. It's over $100, but only on the TikTok shop I found it for only 50. By doing something like that, it's showing how everywhere else it's a really high price point, but right here, right now in the TikTok shop for a limited time, you can get it for cheaper, which is going to incentivize people to make that impulsive purchase. That's what you want, an impulse purchase, not someone to sit there and save the video and scroll. You're not going to make any freaking money. In summary, direct them where to buy it on the TikTok shop and close the sale with urgency. That's what you need to do. So once you've done all this, you've posted the video, you want to repeat this anywhere from 1 to 4 times a day. Obviously, if you get up to 4 TikToks a day promoting different products with discounts, 10K a month is going to be a breeze, especially once you get the hang of it. As long as you're applying these strategies that I'm talking about in this videos with the discounts and the psychology and everything like that, it would be very hard for you not to reach 10K a month during Q4. And it's because during Q4, like we saw in this screenshot, you only need 1 to 2 million views in order to achieve this. So if you've been doing TikTok Shop affiliate for a while and you're not making money, obviously you're missing some piece of it. So there's 2 things you can do. The first thing is join TikTok Mastery, where you can learn even more content and you can grow with a community that's going to actually motivate you to post more videos. That's where all my students are making a ton of money right now. It's the best thing you can do to prepare for Q4, because remember, there's only one time a year that the holidays come. Take advantage of it while you still can. It's 7 days free. I'll leave a link in the bio. Now, the second thing you can do is list yourself on Creator Pair. So this is mainly for if you're already an affiliate. List yourself, you can set up your bio, and brands will actually pay you a monthly retainer just to post 1 TikTok a day. If a brand sees you on Creator Pair, depending on how many sales you already have, they'll offer you anywhere between $250 up to $3,000 a month just to post 1 TikTok a day. For the first 100 creators to list, it is completely free, so I'll leave the link in the description. Your goal should be to get 1% better every single video that you post, and within a few weeks, if you're doing this correctly, you're applying these tactics, I mean, it's going to be a piece of cake for you to hit 10K a month. And some months, if you have a really viral video and you're applying these tactics, you're going to hit well over 10K. It's just about applying yourself, believing in yourself, and studying the strategies. So I believe in you, but most importantly, believe in yourself. You got this.